It is that time again. I need to cut a few 2x6s for my sawmill shed. Well, not sawmill shed, but a shed that is by the sawmill. So I've got it all framed out. As you can see, I got to start working on the roof, and for the roof purlins I want to do, or rafters, I want to use 2x6s. So I have a 10-foot poplar log on the mill. Yep, so big end, or the bottom end of the log, is actually 11 inches. So the other end is probably 10 inches. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make some 2x6s and go from there. I have not run the mill in quite a while, so let's fire it up, warm it up, and start cutting. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Again, poplar. All right, so that looks so gorgeous. I don't know, it's not well, I guess it's called spalted. Maybe not, but maybe it's just the way poplar looks. But it's it was a fairly live tree just about a month ago or so. Got it down. So right now I've got 2, 3 2x6s, and they are 2x6s. Now that I have 3 2x6s cut, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 of them. So I'm gonna put another log on the mill, cut me a couple more, but you can see the colors over here. Got some bugs in the pile, but it's really pretty. And by the way, it's hot today, and I should be inside on the couch eating ice cream, drinking sweet tea, but I'm out here cutting wood because I want to finish building my shed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on the next video.